Look what came in the mail today, just in time for my birthday. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my Crazy Creative Life. In today's video, we've got February 2026 Bargain Bead Box. And yes, today's my birthday. It's kind of funny how it fell coming in the mail on my actual birthday. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what all we got. I am hoping for some Valentine look. Alright, so we have Fairytale Romance collection. So let's see what we got. I will get this organized and I'll be right back. Got a pretty peach bag. I am back. Okay, so our first one is a 48 by 28 millimeter rhodonite brass and marquee pendant, and it retails for $6.99. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I like that. Okay, number 2, we have a 30 by 19 millimeter Unicot and brass teardrop pendant, and they retail for $5.99. That's pretty too. So we have 2 pendants this time. All right. Number 3, we have 8 millimeter pink rhodonite round beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $6.99. So I'm getting my pinks, yay. All right, number 5, we have Unicot tumbled nugget beads on a 15-inch string, and they retail for $7.99. Those are pretty. This set can go for Valentine's or St. Patrick's almost. Oops. It looks like, oh, it's gum. I don't know if it's Chiclets. Chiclets gum. I swear it's what that looks like. Not the color, but the size and the shapes. I guess they still sell Chiclets gum. I don't know. That's exactly what that reminds me of. Okay, where am I at? Number 6. We have 6 millimeter faceted rondelle round beads on a 7-inch string. They retail for $6.99. Those are really pretty. I like those. Number 7, we have rose quartz large nugget beads on a 7-inch string, and they retail for $7.99. Oh, those are large. Number 8, we have 8 pieces of 10 millimeter rhodonite fluted melon beads on a $5.99 string. That's what I almost said. And they retail for $5.99. Oh gosh, April. Those are pretty. You see why they call it a melon bead? Makes you think of watermelon in a way. Number 9, we have 8-piece 10mm Eucalyptus barrel beads, and they retail for $4.99. Number 10, we have 8mm crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads in rosaline on a 7.5-inch string, and they retail for $4.99. These are real pretty. Ooh, those are really pretty. Look at that. Number 11, we have 4mm crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads in vintage pink mix on a 7.5-inch string. So these are like those, just a lot smaller, right? Those 8mm crystal faceted fancy rondelle beads in rosaline. Okay, no, these are vintage pink. Okay, that's rosaline. But they're beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I love those. They are so much prettier in person. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Look how pretty that is. I think you can see just how pretty it is. Next, number 12, we have 4mm crystal faceted round beads in green with brown iris on a 12-inch string, and they retail for $3.99. Those are pretty too. See, these would make really good St. Patrick's Day, to me anyway. Number 13, we have 4 pieces of 13 by 10mm lamp work glass mushroom beads in forest green, and they retail for $3.99. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so cute. We can get them out. Look how cute those are. Oh, I love them. I love these. Oh, wow. I get excited by the little things in life, I guess. All right, number 14 is 33 by 23mm brass locket pendant and copper floral swirl. Retails for $3.99. Oh, that's pretty. I love that. We got several pendants this go around. Number 15, we have 16 pieces of 7 by 7.5mm detailed round spacer beads, and they retail for $3.49. Oh, those are pretty. Number 16, we have 100 pieces of 3mm round spacer beads, and they retail for $1.99. Look like little BBs in a way. Number 17, we have 6 pieces of 11mm flower coin spacer beads, and they retail for $2.99. Those are pretty. Number 18, we have 2 pieces of 30 by 21mm ornate shield links, and they retail for $2.99. Those are pretty. Number 19, we have 10 pieces of 17 by 11mm round flower links, and they retail for $2.99. Oh, those are cute. Look at that. Those are really pretty. Number 20, we have 2 pieces of 24 by 19mm ring and a 29.5mm bar leafy toggle clasp, and it retails for $1.99. It's cute. That is cute. I like toggle clasp. Well, I can't get that to turn. To show you, it's a little leaf right there too. Number 21, we have 2 pieces of 20 by 19mm fairy charms, and they retail for $1.99. Oh, those are pretty. Little fairies. Number 22, we have 24 pieces of 8mm flower bead caps, and they retail for $2.99. We're getting extra in this month. Just some pretty bead caps. Number 23, we have 1 meter of 5.7 by 3.8mm and 3.2 by 2mm Firo jewelry chain, and it retails for $4.99. That's a pretty chain. Real delicate. And it looks like this is a free gift. Let me see what it is. Well, I can't find it, but it looks like this eucalyptus, and it looks like probably 6mm, maybe 8mm. Let's see, what is this? Okay, they're that size. What was that size? Yeah, 8mm. That's what they look like. And it's that stone, though. But that was for free, looks like. And sometimes they'll do that. They'll throw in some free stuff. There we go. All right, let me, like I always do, I'll pull you down and then talk and show you at the same time, a close-up. So this is curated, so this is Bargain Bead Box. They are like any other bead box company, or curated bead box company, I should say. They come up with a theme each month, and then they curate the beads to match around that theme. They typically try to go with the theme of the particular month, you know, like this is February, so we're looking at possibly, you know, Valentine's stuff, or even, like I said, St. Patrick's Day. So what you do, you can, I will put a link in the description box below, and you go through that link, and that's going through me. If you want to sign up and become a subscriber, it's a monthly subscription. It's like 24 something a month, but that's including taxes and shipping, and you can cancel at any time. And so if you listen to my videos all the time, you hear me say that this is a really good deal, especially for newbies. If you are new and just trying to get into jewelry making, this is the best way to go. It's really a good way to go for anybody, but really good for new people. Also with Bargain Bead Box, they have a sister store, and they are called Bead Box Bargains. So this is Bargain Bead Box. The sister is Bead Box Bargains. And with them, after she has mailed out everybody that has subscribed for that particular month, then she goes on that sister store and she puts extras. So if there's anything left over after everything goes out, she puts the extras up for sale. She will also then curate another matching set, and it's called a companion bundle. And a lot of times she'll have to do 2 or 3 of those a month because they sell out so fast. And she sells them for a really good price too. And they're not the same beads, but they are something that will match it, and that's why she calls it a companion bundle. On the back side of this paper that I showed you at the beginning, there is a coupon code. It is for that sister store. So if you go on there and need extra things and want to purchase extra, or the companion bundles, or if you need to just go on there and buy anything else, wire or head pins or jump rings or clasp, whatever, it's all on that site. And with that paper and that coupon, it's 30% off of whatever that you purchase. And that is not a one-time use only. You can use that same coupon for the entire month. So for the rest of February, the coupon on the back of that paper, if I want to use it, I can go on there and buy something today and use that coupon, and I can go 2 weeks down the road and buy something else and use that same coupon. I think that is just a perk for being with them, and I really love that idea. I have went and I've used that coupon in the past, so I really love them. They are probably my favorite curated bead box. There's several companies, but Bargain Bead Box is my favorite, and they always send just beautiful gemstones and all kinds of findings and stuff, and I really love them. So again, if you want to go down in the description box below, go and click on their link, and you can get through them or to them through me. And I had just made that blurry, I'm sorry. So hope y'all have a blessed rest of your day, and I guess I'll be singing happy birthday to me today. Well, kind of already have. We just got back from eating. We went and ate some Mexican. So anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day, and thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll talk to you the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.